The push for sustainable food solutions often hails bug farming as the answer to reducing the environmental footprint of food production. Advocates argue that insects require fewer resources, emit less carbon, and produce protein more efficiently than traditional livestock. But the reality is more complex. Properly managed animal agriculture, far from being the villain it's often portrayed as, offers a sustainable, efficient, and effective path forward. Instead of jumping on the bug farming bandwagon, it's time to revisit the environmental and nutritional benefits of traditional livestock systems. While it's true that insects require less land and water per kilogram of protein, this simplified view overlooks the bigger picture. Livestock like cows and sheep can graze on marginal land that isn't suitable for crops, turning otherwise unusable space into a productive source of high-quality protein. They also participate in a natural nutrient cycle. Manure from livestock fertilizes the soil, improving its quality and reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers. Additionally, livestock provide more than just meat. Products like dairy, eggs, and wool are renewable resources that don't require the animal to be slaughtered. This continuous production model adds a layer of efficiency unmatched by bug farming, which relies on controlled environments requiring significant energy inputs for temperature and humidity regulation. One of the most compelling cases for livestock is their role in regenerative agriculture. Properly managed grazing systems do more than mitigate environmental harm. They actively restore ecosystems. Grazing encourages the growth of deep-rooted plants, which capture carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store it in the soil, a process known as carbon sequestration. Livestock manure enhances soil fertility, helping it retain water and resist drought. Grazing animals also maintain biodiversity by preventing certain plants from overtaking the landscape, allowing a variety of species to thrive. In contrast, bug farming requires artificial environments that lack these ecological benefits and often come with hidden energy costs. Nutritionally, livestock products are hard to beat. Meat, eggs, and dairy provide all essential amino acids, making them complete sources of protein. They're also rich in healthy fats and fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, and E, which are vital for human health. Dairy products offer calcium and other minerals that are harder to find in insect-based diets. While bugs provide protein, they lack the balanced, nutrient-dense profile of livestock products, which are deeply embedded in culinary traditions around the world. The environmental claims surrounding bug farming also warrant scrutiny. Bugs require climate-controlled environments to thrive, with precise temperature and humidity levels maintained through significant energy inputs. Processing insects into powders or bars for consumption adds further steps to the supply chain, increasing their carbon footprint. Many bug farms also rely on specialized feed to grow insects at scale, competing with other agricultural systems for resources. By comparison, well-managed livestock require minimal inputs beyond grazing and foraging, making them more energy efficient and sustainable over time. The push to replace livestock with bugs assumes that insects are inherently more sustainable. However, livestock systems fit naturally into ecosystems and have been part of agriculture for thousands of years. They enhance soil health, promote biodiversity, and provide valuable nutrients for both humans and the environment. Livestock like chickens and cows also offer renewable resources, such as eggs, milk, and wool, which can be harvested continuously without depleting the animals. Meanwhile, traditional livestock farming is already scalable, deeply integrated into global food systems, and capable of supporting both local economies and food security. The idea of replacing livestock with bugs stems from a misunderstanding of true sustainability. While insects might offer environmental advantages on a small scale, they can't match the broader benefits of sustainable animal agriculture. Cows, chickens, and other livestock, when managed responsibly, deliver nutrient-rich food, support healthy ecosystems, and use resources efficiently. Rather than investing in alternatives that require new infrastructures and energy-intensive processes, we should focus on improving the systems we already have. Sustainable livestock farming isn't just viable, it's essential. Regenerative agriculture practices like rotational grazing can heal the land, sequester carbon, and support biodiversity. Livestock products provide complete nutrition in a way that insects and lab-grown alternatives cannot. Supporting local livestock systems strengthens economies, ensures food security, and respects cultural traditions. Instead of replacing livestock, we should embrace their potential to feed a growing population while protecting the planet. Let's rethink our approach to sustainable food production. Bugs may play a niche role, but livestock, when raised with care, are the cornerstone of a resilient, environmentally friendly future. By improving and expanding sustainable livestock practices, we can build food systems that nourish people and the planet alike. The future of food isn't about replacing cows and chickens. It's about making their systems smarter, better, and more aligned with nature.